Oh, it's a natural thing. Everybody does it. Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. So here I am again, showing you something I bought that was totally marketed to me on my social media. I don't know if you've ever heard of this thing, but this is a company that makes sustainable travel toiletry containers. And the name is called Cadence. I guess it was developed by a woman who wanted to kind of try and end the plastics that were being left at the beach and in the ocean from all those little like 1 ounce toiletry bottles that people like fill up with shampoo and body wash and stuff. And when they go to the beach, they're so cheap that they just toss them. And I guess somehow they end up in the ocean. So she developed these travel containers that were made from recycled materials, but really, I believe that she made them super expensive so that you use them and don't buy those bottles anymore. Therefore, solving the issue of all those cheap toiletry containers being found in the ocean. I spent $108 on these travel containers. So I will be using the fuck out of them and I will not be throwing them away. And God forbid I lose one on the beach because I will be pissed. They were advertised to me in beautiful photos on my Instagram. Some cute boho girl, and she had like a container of 9 of them in the rose color. And there was like little jewelry and kombucha and vitamins and just looked so appealing. And I'm like, oh, I need to have these. So, of course, I saved up, went on their website. They sell them in singles and then they sell them in packs. Some of the packs are pre-labeled, but you can kind of customize your own label per each little capsule. They're called capsules, not bottles, capsules. Of course, I wanted a mix of like black and pink. The pink color is called Petal, and it was sold out. It was sold out for a very, very long time. I kept checking because, you know, I'm diligent, kept checking, and I finally put my email address in and was like, notify me when this is back in stock. So finally I got the email, I went on the website, I had my little list of like all the ones that I wanted. I ended up buying a pack of 6, which they bundled for like, I don't know, $75 or something like that. And then 2 singles so that I could get all the capsules I needed for my things. Each of those capsules is almost $20. So I spent about $108, I think, total for everything. Of course, they gave me free shipping. I'm going to show them to you guys, and then we are going to fill them, and you're going to watch me pack my little bag so that I can go on vacation. Look how cute this bag is. This is a little travel makeup toiletry bag that my husband got me for Valentine's Day. The link is in my description box below from Amazon. It is an affiliate link, just to let you know. So here's how they came to me in the mail. Literally. Like, here's the mailing label. All recycled material, of course, because that's the brand. When you open it up, I have 2 little boxes. This is the first box. I can tell it's really heavy. So this is the 6 that I ordered. So when you open it up, it says thank you, all that kind of thing. And then when you pull here, the 2 pop out. So here's the 4 I got in the Petal and 2 in the charcoal. And then these 2 singles I got in the charcoal. So that way I had 4 and 4. Then I color coded them to be the Petal color are my face products. And then the charcoal color are my hair products. Not only are they made of recycled materials and are super expensive, so you're never going to lose them, but the whole thing about them is that they are these honeycomb shaped capsules that are totally magnetized, spill proof lids that also go to the side. So it's hard to lose any of the things. They have a very wide mouth so you can get your finger in there. Yeah, you like that, huh? The top that has the label on it is also removable and magnetized. So you can switch these up however you want. You can actually get these blank if you don't want them labeled. So the whole point is they are magnetized all together so that they stay in your travel container and they don't open, they don't spill. They're all together, you don't lose them, but look how cute they are all together. I mean, like, I had to have these, you know? Let's go ahead and start with my face products. Okay, so this one, I just got the water droplet icon because I'm going to use this for my micellar water. I have my micellar water in like a pump because I use like so much of it. So we're just gonna fill this little baby up. Let's put it to the test to see. Oh, look. Spilled some already. This is filled with the water. I don't think any came out. Now, let me take the cap off and just see. Well, you can tell I shook it a lot, but yep. So then I will just stick my cotton pad in there and clean my face. So there is that. All right, the next one I got is face moisturizer. I actually bought this to go on vacation before I bought these. So I bought the little travel size, but now we're just gonna empty right in there. That's gonna be plenty for me, but look how cute. Next one I have is cleanser, my favorite facial cleanser. Oh, they're so cute. This one I got for makeup remover, and I initially was gonna put like, you know, the blue eye makeup remover in it. But then during the Sephora sale, I ended up getting this one size Go Off makeup remover mist. And it's a mist. So I can't. Probably gonna have to either remember that this is not makeup remover or take the lid off and maybe put body wash or something in here. I'm not sure yet. This is why I probably should have just got some blanks. So there are my face products. Look how adorable. So now I have the 2 charcoal, and then these are my other 2 charcoals. So that's how they come. Okay, so these are my 4 hair care products. We're gonna start with the obvious, shampoo. Then of course, following shampoo, as always, is conditioner. Oh. Guess they can't really help you with that. The next thing I got was leave-in conditioner. And that is because I use the Olaplex number 6 smoother. I only need tiny. This bottle is gonna last me 15 years, maybe even 25. This is just something that like you put a tiny little dab, put it in your hands, and then smooth it through so that when you're blow drying, you get it more straight and it's not as frizzy. This is awesome stuff, but if you use too much, you can definitely tell because your hair is like, whoa. That will probably last me 10 years. Final one that I have is hair oil. And again, I am a super Olaplex user. This hair oil has been amazing for me. You really only need like a couple dots of it in your palms right after you get out of the shower and just run it through while your hair is damp. In this bottle, it comes out like this. So I knew this was going to be kind of hard, but you don't need a lot of this at all. It's just like that bond smoother, only a couple drops. Honestly, I could have brought this Olaplex bottle with me, but just because I didn't want it, like it gets, like if you can see, it's like pretty oily just from daily use. And I just didn't want to put it in my makeup bag with like all my other things so that they would get like all oily and stuff. And since these things are supposed to be locked tight, I wanted to just get one for that. So now I got my whole little collection together. Here's my little honeycomb of all my face and hair products. This is so cute. And then it just goes right in the bag and they all stay together. So it's just, and like, look how much room I have in there now. So I'll be able to put all my other things in here, all my makeup, all of my tools, brushes, everything. And then I'm ready to go. Let me know if you guys have heard of this, if you are interested in buying it. I totally didn't plan on ever buying these in my life, but I'm kind of glad I did because look, I'm like that person now. Thank you so much, guys. If you could like this video, if you could subscribe so that you can follow all my shopping antics, that would be awesome. I will put Cadence website in the description below, but if you have any questions about the product itself, since I have them in hand, just leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you, guys. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hopefully with a tan.